The right vehicle? Check out the 2006 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.